Maurice here back for another Power Pack training. Today, we're going to be talking about getting out of your comfort zone and making $1,000 a day in SMMA. Ladies and gentlemen, too many of you guys are laying on the side of the road and you're not doing the necessary activities to really make the big money in SMMA. Okay, you guys are too comfortable. Okay, you're chilling, you're lazy, you're watching too much TV, you're on too much IG, too much Facebook, too many YouTube videos. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, if you have 0 clients right now, okay, you have no clients, that means you're in your comfort zone. Okay, so I want you guys to really pay attention, okay, because this is the same strategy and a mindset that allowed me to go from $0 to making over $10,000 a month my first year, essentially making 6 figures my first year in SMMA, okay, because I was once here, okay. This, ladies and gentlemen, is your comfort zone, okay. So let's just write comfort, okay, zone. This is where everyone lives, okay? Their comfort zone, all right? This is where you're watching TV, you're on IG, you're on Facebook, you're on YouTube, you're sleeping, all the little fun stuff. You're just watching the videos. You're not doing anything. You're learning about SMMA. You're just learning. You're in that learning phase. You're watching all of Maurice's videos. You won't buy the course. You're in your comfort zone. You don't want to buy courses. You feel you can just free your way to the top. Okay, it's kind of like a doctor wanting to be a doctor, but he doesn't want to go to medical school, so he goes on YouTube and he learns how to be a doctor on YouTube. He has to go to Harvard or Yale or whatever college, his junior college or whatever, and pay the price of hundreds of thousands of dollars to become a doctor. Don't that kind of make sense? You're like, man, Maurice, I want to do SMMA, but I don't want to invest in it. But it doesn't make sense. It doesn't equate, ladies and gentlemen. You're selling yourself a false dream. And my goal, okay, is to help millions of people earn $100,000 in SMMA. Okay, that's my goal. That's why I put out these free videos. I don't have to do this, ladies and gentlemen. I'm making almost $40,000 a month in SMMA. Okay, I don't have to do this. I do this to give back. But this is where the majority, I'm just going to put, you guys always hear me talk about this. 98% of the people online, okay, are broke. Okay, they're not making money. Not making money, okay? And the reason why they're chilling in comfort zone, all right? Comfort zone is where everyone's at, okay? You're just not really doing anything. It's comfortable. It's what you do every single day, okay? It's your paradigm. All right, a paradigm is basically a multitude of habits. And this is what you do Monday through Sunday. You do the same stuff. Okay, comfort zone means you're doing the same stuff. Nothing new. And ladies and gentlemen, if you want something different, you have to do something different. All right? And if you expect, okay, to still be in your comfort zone and you want to make $1,000 a day, all right, or $10,000 per month, all right, in your comfort zone, it's not gonna happen, okay? Because the title of this video is to help you guys to get out of your comfort zone. Because the only way that I went from working in a warehouse to slamming over $100,000 within my first year is, man, I left my comfort zone. So the first thing you gotta do is you gotta get out of your comfort zone. So I'm just gonna put get out of your comfort zone, all right? This is important. You got to get out of your comfort zone. All right? It's comfortable. That's why you don't want to leave it. Like in the morning when you're laying in the bed, it's comfortable. You don't want to get up and get out that warm bed. But I'm telling you, get up and get out that warm bed and you get your phone and it's time to make some cold calls. But you got to get out of your comfort zone. All right? Now this, I'm just going to call, this is the money zone. Okay? If you want to make $10,000 a month, all right? And I know most of you guys want to make $10K per month. Some of you guys want to make 20 to 30 or 40 like me, $50,000 a month. Then guess what? There's a road you got to cross over to. Here's the road. You got to leave this. Let me just put some legs and a person walking. All right? You have to leave and get over here. All right. You got to get on the road to money. This is the road to money. All right. Let's just make some dollar signs here. All right. You got to walk this road. You got to leave this behind. All right. Not wanting to invest in all this stuff. Now, over here in the money zone. All right. Let me tell you something, ladies and gentlemen. It requires hard work. Let's just put that down. Hard work. All right. It requires spending money on Mind University. So let's just put spending money on courses and trainings and coaches. All right. Let me just put trainings. It requires for you to set up a schedule to get good. All right. You got to get good at cold calling. You got to get good at SMMA. And that takes a schedule. You got to do this thing Monday through Friday. Okay. 1 to 2 hours per day. All right. That's what it requires. It requires you to work. See, in your comfort zone, you don't do nothing but watch TV, or you're on Facebook and watching all the YouTube videos. You don't do nothing. You don't take action. This requires you to take action. A lot of you guys aren't taking action. That's why you're not getting rich in SMMA. You're not doing nothing. Okay? So over here, getting out of your comfort zone, it requires significant. Ladies and gentlemen, I sacrifice significantly to get to where I'm at today. I sacrifice money. I sacrifice time. Before the pandemic, I was traveling all over the United States, learning from the best, networking, okay? I was reading books and tapes and videos and just doing what it took to expand Mind University. And I noticed when I expand Mind University, guess what? The bank account got bigger, okay? The bank account got larger and larger, okay? And that's what happens when you leave mind, when you leave comfort zone and you go over here to the money zone, okay? Many people attempt, let me say this, many people attempt to leave the comfort zone. They know that, Maurice, hey, SMMA is beautiful. It is. You can make, 10 to 100K a month in SMMA, okay? But they attempt, and this is what happens. Here go to 98%. I want you guys to watch this. This is a powerful, important video. Many people attempt SMMA. They watch all the YouTube videos. Perhaps they buy 1 or 2 courses. Sometimes it may take, I've bought thousands of, not thousands, but a ton of courses to get to the levels that I wanted to get to in my agency, in my life, in my career. Okay, because in order for your money to get better, you have to get better. And a lot of you guys aren't better yet. It's not that SMMA doesn't work. It just means you're not better yet. A lot of you guys just aren't better yet, and that's why I want to make you better by putting out videos and saying get trainings and courses and hire a coach so you can get better, so that you can hit your goals. All right, per 10K per month. I know a lot of you guys love that because it'll get you out of a 9-to-5 job, but you have to sacrifice tremendously to hit this goal. It's not just going to come by osmosis. A lot of you guys are looking for outsources and all of that type of stuff, but you got to invest. If you need a system to show you how to get outsources or learn the skills of setting up Facebook ads and Google ads, you can buy courses on this stuff. Okay? A lot of the stuff that you guys are having problems with can be fixed with the course or with the coach. Okay, or with the proper training, you can fix it. See, life is about, business is all about solving problems. Okay, when I have a problem, I get it solved. When my clients have a problem, I solve the problem. That's why they pay me. Okay, you get paid to solve problems. When you get an SMMA, clients have a problem of getting clients and customers and phone calls. When they hire you as an agency owner, you solve that problem for them. So many people attempt to leave their comfort zone. They begin on this road, and then this road, and I put money here, but they figure out that you have to get hung up on, or you have to make cold calls, or you got to read books and you got to get better. And then they start to think, they start walking, and then guess what they do? They make a U-turn because the road gets heavy and hard. And oh man, I got to buy $1,000 course. They turn around. Oh man, it's required. Oh man, I set an appointment with a business owner and they didn't respond back, or I read the script and the script didn't work. They make a U-turn. They was just this close and they make a U-turn and they go back to the comfort zone. Ladies and gentlemen, don't let that be you another day. Get out of this mess of mediocrity and being in your comfort zone and pay the price for success. Get the things you need to become a better you. Because over here in this comfort zone sits 98% of the population. All right? 98% of people are struggling. And all they got to do is take a little bit of that money that they invest on shoes and clothes and diamonds and entertainment and Netflix and just put it in this proper place and invest in this mind and take action and get better at the game and go ahead and keep walking this path and get into the money zone. And when you get to the money zone, do all that's required to hit your dreams and your goals, because it's worth it. Look at me, okay? No college education, just a regular formal education, a diploma. And you telling me I went from the warehouse to making over 6 figures my first year in SMMA. And of course, I went on to make hundreds of thousands of dollars every year in this industry, ladies and gentlemen. This is what can happen to you if you leave, because I was in the comfort zone. Also in the comfort zone is a job. Just over broke, okay? 40 years, the 40-year plan. I'm essentially retired, ladies and gentlemen. You know, but this is over here. You got to work 40 years for somebody else in the comfort zone. Brokenness, bills, a lot of bills. A lot of you guys got bills and debt. Debt is in the comfort zone. But over here in the money zone, you're making $10, $20, $30,000 a month. You can take a chunk of that money and pay your credit cards off. You can pay your cars and your mortgage off. You know, don't get to $25,000 a month. You're making $25,000 a month. In 2 months, you got 50 G's. The average debt is probably around that 50, 60,000. Most people have about 50, $60,000 worth of debt. So you get an SMMA, you can pay your debt off. Okay, you can live a lifestyle that most people dream of, but you got to be willing to sacrifice. You got to be willing to pay a price. Time, energy, and money. Time, energy, and money. Don't cheat it, because a lot of people see a course and they cheat. Oh, I'm not going to pay. You're trying to cheat. It's like most people try to rob a bank. You rob a bank, they put you in prison, federal penitentiary, and you got to serve 50, 60, 70 years. That's what we call cheat. Don't cheat success, because you'll get thrown in prison too, and it's called the comfort zone. It's called the comfort zone. So I hope this training has been of immense value to you. If it has, comment below. Hit the thumbs up. Let me know what you guys thought. Helps with the algorithm. Comment below. Make sure you guys subscribe. You know, I put out fire like this. Ladies and gentlemen, leave your comfort zone. If you leave your comfort zone, you can most definitely be hitting $1,000 a day. Going on to make, you know, over $10,000 a month. That's over $10,000 a month. You can definitely do it. If you need help, click the link in the description. Sign up for the ICP as well as coaching. Don't cheat success. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.